that day, that night, kita cycle from rumah to Punggol. So kita cycle. Nish selalu kat depan aku belakang dia. So dari jauh dah nampak, aku nampak a Chinese lady, black dress. Tapi at that point of time, it was I think
Hungry Ghost tau.
second week Hungry Ghost ke first week? First week. Aku rasa first week lah.
Kira barang fresh punya.
Actually aku recorded on ada clip aku dah nampak, but aku punya otak is like confirm dating habis lepak lah. So aku don't expect Nish to ask me something. So kita dah cycle past, then Nish tengok aku. Nish pun pusing tengok. You know what she was doing?
What?
Ada pokok dia pegang pokok gini, habis dia berbual.
Mati
You're facing the tree.
Dia facing the tree.
Dia facing the sayu-sayu.
Dia macam tengah carrot.
Macam carrot. It's like as if she's talking to the tree.
No.
So dia macam gini, tapi black dress dia.
Oh dear.
So aku tak tahu orang ke tak.
Kat Punggol semua pergi jogging, semua pakai exercise
Pride
fit
lah,
Who wear a dress?
Who wear a dress?
Kat sebelah mana? I mean, I confirm I got cycle there before.
On the way to North Shore.
Okay.
Ada long stretch tu.
Okay.
Dah on the way to North Shore already.
Tepi yang longkang ni lah.
Yes.
Oh, the look.
I nampak gini. Terus I look at Fee. So
Kau tegur aku.
Ya, dia nampak sip.
Muka dia korang masih ingat macam mana?
Tak ada, tak nampak.
Dia tak ada muka.
Rambut panjang bro. Macam mana?
Tapi bila balik korang tak rasa apa-apa.
Dekat ada.
Sial lah. Kau ni.
Come on.
Oh shit.